All right, guys, unit measurements. Um, so there's no reason for us to miss these questions. So let's go over them if we're struggling with them at all. So with unit measurements, they're going to ask you to make two conversions, but it's not like you have to know uh, what any of these conversions are. They're going to be given to you in the question. So we'll look at two examples. The first one we already got laid out here, right? So we're pumping 10 gallons of gas, and they ask us how many ounces is this, and then it'll say something like, note that 1 gallon equals 3.785 liters, and 1 liter equals 33.8 ounces, right? And so we're just trying to figure out how to get from gallons down to ounces. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and estimate just to make it easier on ourselves here, just to kind of understand the principle. So we have our 10 gallons, right? And we'll just say we'll multiply that by 3.8. We'll just round up 3.8 liters, right? And so this is giving us our answer in liters, which is what we need to convert it into ounces. So we have 10 times 3.8, and it will give us 38 liters. Okay, and we start off with our liters at 38. And remember that we have 1 liter equals 33.8 ounces. So we'll just go with this 38, and again, we'll just round to make it easier, times 34. And if we multiply that out, 38 times 34 is 1,292 ounces. Okay, and that's how we do it, right? So we're just really just plug in whatever number they give us, right? So they gave us 10 gallons of gas. We multiplied that by the 3.785, which we rounded to 3.8. That got us to the 38 liters. And we take that 38 liters, and we see that 1 liter equals 33.8 ounces. So 38 times 34, which you rounded up, and there's our answer. Okay, that's all you got to do. So we'll do another example, but that's what it always is there's going to be two different things given to us. Get this font going right. Come on. There we go. Okay, so let's look at another one. So this question says, how many ounces in 8 quarts? Okay, so we have 8 quarts equals question mark ounces. Okay, and then they're going to give us some information. Okay, 1 pint equals 16 ounces. 2 pints equals 1 quart. Okay, so let's kind of go through this, right? So we have 1 pint is 16 ounces, right? And 2 pints equals 1 quart. Okay, so let's think about this for a sec here. Okay, so the next thing we can look at is 2 pints, and you'll see why I did this in a second, equals 32 ounces, right? And the reason I did that is because I know that 2 pints equals 1 quart, right? 1 pint, 16 ounces. 2 pints, 32 ounces. And now we can know 32 ounces equals 1 pint. 1 quart, sorry. Okay, so now I know that 32 ounces equals 1 quart, and that's really the information that I needed, right? Okay, so 32 ounces equals 1 quart, and the question was how many is 8 quarts, right? So from here it's easy. 32 times 8 equals 256 ounces. Okay, and so really what you're just being tested on here is whether or not if you can kind of like think in mathematical terms, right? But they're going to tend to be giving you they're going to be giving you all the information that you need, and then you just have to go ahead and kind of just extract it, right? So this is a couple of examples here. There's many examples in the app, so you keep on going, practicing through those, go back to the video, and you should have it.